Look at me, I'm Sandra Dee, lousy with virginity. Won't go to bed till I'm legally wed. I can't, I'm Sandra Dee. Watch it, hey, on Doris Day. I was not brought up that way. Won't come across, he's a rock hurt and lost his heart to Doris Day. I don't drink, no, or swear, no. I don't wrap my hair, ew. I get ill from one cigarette. Keep your filthy paws off my silky drawers. Would you pull that crap with a net? As for you, Troy Donahue, I know what you want to do. You got your crust, I'm no object of lust. I'm just plain Sandra Dee. Elvis, Elvis, let me be. Keep that pelvis far from me. Just keep your cool, now you're starting to drool. Hey, for ghoul, I'm Sandra Dee.